This is a new social media app trending right now, and I believe you don't know about it. As you can see, I have 108 points, which is approximately $2.38. Hey guys, this is a social media app that pays you to post content. It is instant monetization. And if you want to know how to go about with this app, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that when next I drop another video, you'll be among the first to get this particular videos or all of my videos. Now, I'm going to leave the sign up link in my channel, so I'm going to drop my channel in the comment section so that when you're done with this video, go ahead and sign up if you want to earn from this particular app. Hey guys, the sweetest part about this app is that it will enable you to withdraw in cryptocurrency. So let's do some check on this app. Now, as you can see, these are posts that people have made previously. They just posted some content there, and this content they posted are like sport content. So this app is for basically you post sports, but people can post movies, people can just post short clips. So what you need to do is just to go to any social media app or network, just download a particular video that looks interesting, most especially sports. Come here, create your account with a link that I'm going to provide in my community, and then you sign up, and then you post. All right, as you can see, I just started this today, and this is what I have accumulated. This is just from views that I posted not up to 5 minutes ago. So just imagine that you're serious about this app, you're going to make more money, even more than I do. So the video about my withdrawal will be released very soon. This app has been verified. As you can see, you can request for withdrawal immediately. Reach the minimum is $10. All right, so I'm going to do a video also to show you how I made my withdrawal. So if I'm in your shoes, I'm going to hop into this update so fast. As you can see, these are content that I've posted. All right, just one day I posted these 5 content. These are AI generated content, and they gave me that figure that I showed you from the beginning of the video. So guys, if you're interested in this, go to my comment section, join any of the community that I have there, either WhatsApp or Telegram, where you're going to see the link for you to sign up. Remember guys, I said withdrawal is very simple. You can withdraw with cryptocurrency, no serious verification like every other app. All right, so guys, go ahead and try it, and then let me know in the comment section. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more videos like this on how to make money online. See you on my next video. Bye bye.